Anastasia. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Hope you're having an awesome day. Thanks for taking some time every day to hang out with me. Today's video, I'm super excited because me and a bunch of other content creators are teaming up to celebrate Tammy Tutorial's birthday and 1-year anniversary here on YouTube. I want to thank Jamie and Tammy, whose birthday we celebrated previously with the Wizard of Oz collab, helped organize this to celebrate Tammy. We are going to be creating purple looks, and I have not been able to test out this palette yet. This is the Violets by JUVIA'S place. I actually have all these little mini palettes that I've been wanting to do a swatch party and do some maybe comparison dupes to them. If you're interested in something like that, let me know in the comments below. And if you're visiting from any of the channels, welcome. Thank you so much for checking me out. I hope you subscribe and give this video a like before you leave. This is what the inside of the Violets by JUVIA'S looks like. We get 4 shimmers and 2 mattes, and I really want to swatch this palette before diving in. Top row. I'm kind of shocked how that last shade is swatching because of how deep it looks in the palette. Hopefully it will translate a little bit better using a brush as well with some primer, because this is just my bare arm swiping using my finger. Bottom row. And this is what the palette looks like swatched. The shimmers definitely came through on the swatches. The mattes, both are a little bit concerning, but then again, in the past, not all of JUVIA'S mattes swatch as pretty as I would like them to be. Their formula really allows you to build up to your liking. That way, when you apply, it's not just bam pigment in your face. To kick things off, I'm gonna take this lighter matte and I'm gonna focus it on the first half of my crease. Right off the bat, it is looking a little bit better using a brush to help diffuse it. Also, I have concealer on my eyelid to act as a primer. And now I'm going to take this deeper matte, and this will be worked on the remaining portion of my crease. Like, lightly want to take that because I'm kind of nervous how this is going to show up. Oh, much better. Oh, that swatch had me nervous. So hopefully it's not going to be patchy. Definitely making me work for it. I feel like I need a nude shade in here just to help diffuse this patchiness. Doing everything that I can to try to fluff it out, and it doesn't want to budge. I think this is going to be as good as I'm going to get it. So I'm going to clean this brush off once again. To take the lighter matte, just to focus on the area where the 2 shades meet. That way there's not going to be that harsh line that we're seeing right now. Very lightly, just quick like motions. Sounded like Darth Vader motions. I'm going to take this shade for 2/3 of my lid and then the shade next to it for the outer portion of the lid. I was really tempted on taking this shade right here, but I feel like it's just going to pull maybe just a little bit too violet since we have more of a lavender and a deep plum purple look going on right now. And then this shade was going to go in the inner corners, which I think would look absolutely stunning. Wow, this shade right here is pulling a little bit lighter than what I was anticipating. And then based off of how both the matte and shimmer formula is being applied, definitely more of a fan of the shimmers than the mattes. The mattes need a little help. I feel like it's fading away. I'm gonna add some eyeliner to my lid and waterline. I have my Hank & Henry liquid eyeliner for the lid, and then I have my LA Girl Shockwave eyeliner in the shade Vivid for my lower waterline. Gonna go back into the shade to smoke out the lower lash. Oh, this shade's even patchy down here. Maybe this fluffier? And then I'm going to take this shade right here for the inner corners. I'm going to bring it down just a little bit lower. For lashes, I'm going to take the style Spicy by LashyBox. I don't even know why I'm bothering with traditional glue, because I just tested out an eyeliner glue infused pen and I'm obsessed. It makes application so easy. I will link that video in the description box for reference. I'm going to add some mascara to blend in my natural lashes with the falsies, and then taking my Tarte eyeliner for my upper waterline. I'm going to take my Tarte Tartiste Pro Glow palette to bronze, blush, and highlight. I'm going to take the Lime Crime lipstick in the shade Stiletto for the lips. And then I'm going to add 6 Feet Under over top it. And this is the final look. Oh my gosh, I was struggling to decide what lip I wanted to pair it with. Automatically, I gravitated towards Hello Stranger from ColourPop. And then I was thinking, is a nude lipstick going to look weird with the eyes? So I decided to go with black, and I'm absolutely living for it. Like, my inner scene girl is just thriving right now. I like how the eyes are grungy, but have that pop of color to it as well. And I think the black lip just complements it really nice. I really enjoyed the shimmer formula. I think the shimmer is definitely there. I did not struggle with the 3 shades that I used. I'm a little disappointed in these mattes. I wish that this shade was just popping a little bit more. I did not have any issues blending it out, but this shade right here, I think the pigment is there. It just, A, takes a while to build up, which is completely fine, but 2, I still think it is patchy. I did have issues both blending it out on the crease and then trying to smoke it out on the lower lash line. Maybe I need to pair the shimmers with some other purple mattes in my collection from other palettes to see, but I definitely see myself getting more use out of the shimmers than the matte. I would love to know, what is your favorite purple palette in the comments below. I appreciate you helping me celebrate Tammy's milestones. Her channel will be linked in the description below to wish her a happy birthday, happy anniversary, all of the above. Don't forget to check out the other amazing creators in this collab. There will be a playlist linked in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and if you don't, I appreciate your view anyways, and I'll see you in the next video.